Now, before beginning exercise 12.4, we will discuss what are the applications of algebraic expressions. Application means what are the uses of algebraic expressions. Now, children, if you have been using algebraic expression, you have been using it from so long. Now, I'll tell you how. Do you remember this formula? This is the formula to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. It is an algebraic expression because it contains the variables, the constants, mathematical operators. So it is an algebraic expression. If you put the value of L and B, you will get the perimeter. If the value of length and breadth will keep on changing, the value of this algebraic expression will keep on changing. So this is how we use the algebraic expressions. If 3 into L, say 3 into side, if I have to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle, I do 3 into side, 3 into L, where L is the side. So it is again an algebraic expression. So we have been using algebraic expressions from so long to find out the values of the missing expressions. Okay. Now, you must have seen digits like this in the calculator or in the digital watch. So here, if suppose there is this digit 6, to make this 6 using the line segments, how many line segments are required? 6 line segments are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if suppose I want 66, 6 2 times. So how many line segments are required? Already there were 6. Now how many more I have added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more were added to make one more 6. Now if I have to make 3 6, again 5 more will be added to it. Every time I add 5 more sticks in this pattern to increase the number of 6 in it. So if I want to know that how many line segments will be required to make 5 times 6, so how will I know? So for that I can use this algebraic expression. How can I make algebraic expression? Every time I am adding 5 more digits, 5 more line segments. Every time I am adding 5 more line segments to increase the number of 6. So 5 more every time I am adding. So 5. N is the number of 6 you want. You want 3 6, you want 4 6, you want 2, you want 1. That will be N. Now suppose if I want 2 6, 5 into 2, 10. But actually I don't need 10 line segments, I need 11. So one more needs to be added. This is how we form the algebraic expression. Now if we keep on changing the value of N here, the number of line segments required to make that 6 will be easily available to me. Suppose I have to make 10 times this 6. So in place of N what will come? 10. 10 5s are 50. 50 plus 1, 51. How many line segments I need? 51 line segments will be needed to make 10 6. Now similarly 4. Now 4 is already there. How many more line segments I have added? 1, 2, 3. 3 more to make it 44. Again 3 more to make 4 3 times. So every time 3 line segments I am adding. So 3 into N plus 1. Here 8. Now to make this 8, how many more line segments I am adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time 5 more line segments I am adding. So 5 into N. 5 2s are 10. But 5 2s are 10. Here to make 2 8, I don't need 10 line segments. I need 12 line segments. That means 10 plus 2. So that is why we have done plus 2 here. Now this is the algebraic expression they have already given to us. I have just explained you how these expressions have come. Now if the number of digits formed is taken to be N, suppose we have to make N number of digits, and the number of segments required to form N digit is given by the algebraic expressions on the right side. Now how many segments are required to form 5 10 and 100 digits of these kinds. Now the first digit is 6. Number 1 is 6. How we have made this 6? Like this. This is how the 6 has been made. Okay, what is the algebraic expression for 6? 5n plus 1, which is given. Now I have to make how many? 5 times, 10 times and 100 times. So put n equals to 5. Now when you put n equals to 5 in this expression, what do you get? 5 into 5 plus 1. 25 plus 1, 26. You need how many line segments? 26 line segments. This is A part. B part, in place of n, what you have to put? In place of n, 10. 10 times you have to make this 6. So in place of n, put 10. 50 plus 1, 51. How many line segments are needed? 51 line segments. C part, in place of n, what do we have to put? 100. N is equals to 100. So 5 into 100 plus 1. 500 plus 1 equals to 501. So for n equals to 5, n equals to 10 and n equals to 100, these many line segments are needed to make 6. Now similarly you will do for 4 and 8. Again you will write 4 here, 3 times find it out. Algebraic expression is given on the side. Then for 8.